Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Jamie.
And what's your business?
I run the Best Singing Waiters and the Wedding Network.
Whereabouts are you based? Where have you travelled from?
So I travelled down from Wigan.
Okay. And do you think the whole day has been worth it? Are you happy that you came? What's your overall experience?
Yeah. I've picked up lots of notes. I've got about 7-8 pages worth of notes. I've got a new idea for a product that we're going to be launching in the next couple of weeks, which could be really exciting. Could add a lot of money to our bottom end. And then there's some personal stuff as well, where it hasn't just been about business. It's making sure that you've got that work-life balance that I feel has been really valuable, and it's something I do anyway. But there's like having a list of the things that you can go to. I forget what it's called now. Self-care menu. Having that self-care menu with like 10 or 15 things on, I think is genius. So that's definitely going to be going into my kind of routine.